Hi friends, this video is about how to work with dynamic RC column which we prepared. Let me show you how to work with our RC column step by step. This dynamic column will help us to create a n numbers of RC column cross section within a shorter time frame. For purchasing this block, just check out the description. So here is our dynamic RC column. The first block is a typical cross section of column or pedestal. The second one is a closed tie. The third one is an open tie. So first I am picking the cross section and opening properties of the block. So at custom tab we can see lot of parameters like B, D, cover, etc. So first let me start with B. So I am just copying the block. So here you can see X direction is B and Y direction is D. Likewise, if you enter the values at B tab, say 750, the block extends to the length which we entered right there, like this. So if I enter 1000, it works in this way. Likewise, vertical also. If I enter some value in D, right now it is 400, I am entering some 600. So likewise it works. So after that you can control the cover of the column, clear cover. So it's already 50, I am just entering some 100. So our stirrups and the entire bars inside will move accordingly. The next one is about lateral tie dia. So this is about the magenta bar tie. So with this you can control that also. Like I am entering some 25 now. So you can see the difference, right? This one is closer and this one will be a larger space. So for example I am entering some 100. Likewise it works. So I am making it as 10. So the next value is about controlling the horizontal bar numbers. H bar numbers means horizontal bar numbers. Now it is 6 as entered, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I am changing it to 8 and I am entering the vertical bar numbers from 4 to 3. So now we could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the numbers which we entered reflects in our block. Vertical is 3, horizontal is 8, and it also gives you the total number of bars, 18. So 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18. It also counts the total number of bars, and in addition to that we have included few more points for designing the RC which we provided. So we can enter the values of the bars like dia. We can simply enter the dia of bars in two split ups, like one is corner bar, one is inner bar. So if I change this dia to 32 and inner bar dia to some 25, it automatically counts. Like corner dia means 4 bars into 32 dia bar area plus inner bar, so 14 bars into 25 dia bar area. So it gives you the result like percentage of steel with respect to the block which we created, like 600 into 1000. And it also gives you the horizontal bar clear spacing and vertical bar clear spacing. This facilitates to accommodate the concrete. So these details also we can establish from the block which we developed. So that's it for the RC section. You can enter whatever the values and it will simply automated, and the values reflects in the blocks like simply automated. So you can control what are the things over here within few simple steps, and in a shorter time you can create a quality wise output. There won't be any misleadings or misalignments in creating a quality output with this block. So our next one is a closed tie and a open tie. So how to use, let me show you. So first I am picking the closed one. I am just picking and dragging this point to here. Simply sits like this. Then just picking this point to here and here. So it simply sits wherever required. You can mirror it if required. So if you want to make another one in this direction, you just rotate, and within a matter of time we can create n number of cross sections with different dimensions and different type of ties arrangement. So this one is for this. Likewise we can control, and in addition to that, if I change the lateral dia to some 20 here, it will be like this. So in our lateral ties also we have added the same dia thing. So you can make the lateral ties dia as well here, and just simply move this accordingly. So I hope it helps a lot. We tried it and we are seeing a good results in our output in terms of times and quality. I would strongly recommend you to try it. Within a minute of time you can create a single cross section without any errors and misleadings. That's it for our RC column dynamic block. So for purchasing, you just check the description which we provided. And thanks for watching. Stay connected for more and more dynamic products.